Example number 3. Frida signed up for a special credit offer when she bought her living room furniture. There were no payments and no interest for 12 months, that sounds pretty familiar, as long as she paid the balance of $3,749.65 in full by the end of the first year. Otherwise, a penalty equal to an interest rate of 19.99% compounded monthly on the full balance would be charged, starting from the first day she borrowed the money. Whew! So, question A, if she missed the deadline by 1 day, what would she have to pay? Suppose she made monthly payments of $250 during the first year. What would her 12th and last payment be to avoid the interest penalty? So B is actually quite easy. We don't even need our TVM solver. And A is actually pretty easy too because we get to use our TVM solver. So let's launch into it. We know that the interest rate here would be 19.99%, and that the amount that she would be charged on is $37.49.65. Since it's assumed that she did not make any payments during that time, we're going to say payments are 0. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be solving for the future value, just to see what would happen if it just sat there for 1 year without making any payments. Compounding periods per year and payments per year are 12, and we're just going to say 12 times 1 up here. So let's put this into our TVM solver. 12, 19.99. This one is going to be 3749.65. Payment is going to be 0 because it's just going to sit there. And payments per year and compounding periods per year is 12. So I go alpha, enter, and my amount here is actually going to be $4,571.84. Don't forget that negative sign there. So she would have to pay back $4,571.84. B. Suppose she made her monthly payments of $250 during the year. What would her 12th payment have to be to avoid the interest penalty? So all I would do is $250 times 11, which is 11 months, is $2,750. I would take the total amount that I owed, $3,749.65, and I would subtract that $2,750 that I've already paid in $250 monthly payments, and I would get $999, not $999, $999.65.